Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV road trip charge plans with Google Maps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start backing up your EV road trip charge plans with Google Maps, open the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure you are signed into your Google account for seamless access. Plan your route by entering your starting point and destination in the search bar. Tap the Directions button to generate your route options. Once your route is displayed, tap on Add Stop to include your first charging station. You can search for chargers along your route using the keyword EV charging. Select a charging station that fits your plan stops. Continue adding charging stops to your route by repeating the Add Stop process. After adding all your stops, review the entire route to ensure everything looks good. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Send Directions to your phone. Choose the option to save the route to your Google account. Now, to back up your route, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select your places and then tap on Maps. Here, you will find an option to create a new map. Give your map a name and a description relevant to your road trip. You can now customize your map by adding all charging station locations along with your route. Once satisfied with your map, tap on Save. Your EV road trip charge plans are now backed up and easily accessible. To access your saved map, simply return to your places anytime during your trip. This way, you can always refer back to your plan with added peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.